धीरे से आगे बढ़।
She is going to present a poem. She is going to present a poem. In the poem, she is going to express what she is expecting from the Vidyalaya. So, we can bring down.
मेरा नाम एस पूजाक्षरा है। आज मैं आपके सामने मैं विद्यालय से क्या चाहती हूँ विषय पर एक परिचित कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। विद्या का मूल धन निश्चित हमें विद्यालय से, विद्या का मूल धन मंदिर में विद्यालय हमारे अंदर खोज की और हमेशा बनी रहे। बस उम्मीद यही है, बड़ा तो होना है एक दिन, और हमारे बचपन का पूरा आनंद लेने के साथ हर विद्यालय की उन्नति के पीछे हाथ शिक्षक और शिक्षिकाओं का है, उनको मेरा है। वैसे तो मेरे स्कूल में कोई कमी नहीं है, पर विषय के अनुसार कुछ बोलने की कोशिश की है। आशा करती हूँ आपको पसंद आया होगा। खुद भारत में जन्म लेना ही एक पीएचडी के समान है। खुद भारत में जन्म लेना एक पीएचडी के समान है। अब अवसर पाना या होना तो आपकी कमाई है। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद। First of all, we want to honor our presence here and our movement of class 7A. Let us start our day with peaceful minds and joyful minds. Before starting the culturals, I call upon our requesting or Prithvi to say a few words about your duty.
आद्याश्री
आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं श्रेया भारती, कक्षा 12वीं वर्ग की छात्र आज आप सबके समक्ष मेरे विद्यालय से क्या अपेक्षाएं हैं इस शीर्षक पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। विद्यालय को प्राचीन काल से ही मंदिर का स्थान दिया गया है। विद्यालय बालक बालिकाओं के व्यक्तित्व को आकार देने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं, मानवीय व्यक्तित्व के विकास की नींव के रूप में कार्य करते हैं।
the first girl, a big body, Surya Bharti. Now I would like to invite Sandri Raj of Italy. Sandri Raj of Italy.
सुप्रभात. आज आपल्या मोठ्या आज आपल्या प्रधानी एवं शिक्षकात आयोजन आज शाळेला सत्तासाठी वर्ग छात्रा आज आपण सर्व विभागाच्या त्यामुळे गेली हुई कुछ बातें बोलना चाहती हूँ. मुझे मेरे विद्यालय से बहुत Wetland curriculum should be developed. Water facilities should be improved. The children should not be allowed to go out of the school during the school premises. And also, the water facility should be improved. Thank you and have happy Republic Day.
లీడర్ని తీసి పంపిస్తాను.
भारत माता के चरणों में नदियों में बहा करके आगे जाना है। हम इस पद को ग्रहण करने के लिए पूर्ण रूप से तैयार हैं। भारत माँ तेरी माटी को राज बहने, दुनिया के सारे सुख पीछे है मेरा देश बहने। है तिरंगा शाद अपनी, देंगे सबको
in the year 1950, we got our constitution. It was accepted by all of us. So children, we all know India is progressing in leaps and bounds in almost all fields. We are excelling in the field of education, science and technology, space, whatnot. Everywhere we are proving that Indians are very dedicated and committed. Even in the world arena, we know what is India. Even in the space, our Chandrayaan 3 proved and our Aditya L1 proved that Indian scientists are the great and the greatest, no doubt in it. Even in the sports and games and sports field, we excelled. Even last year, Asian Games also, we received many medals, and what else is required, we think, but nowhere we are stopping. We are excelling in each and every field. In the National Integration 2020, the Government of India is coming forward to encourage with a new different education policy that will change the future of the country. Even GDP growth also, we are among the top economic countries in the world. We are progressing. That is why India is progressing in leaps and bounds. No doubt, nobody can stop. At the same time, in the field of science and technology, artificial intelligence, mechanics, even artificial intelligence is also taking us towards a great growth, and we are implementing in our lives. So you are all lucky children. You will definitely utilize all these facilities and go ahead. My suggestion is, you all should work hard for the country. Do something for your family, for your country, for the progress of it. Many patriots, they sacrificed their lives. We have to salute them. At the same time, you have to take the baton to continue that, and for the development of the country. You are all sitting, you take the lead. You are the future citizens and future leaders, future scientists, doctors, engineers, no doubt in it. You take the lead and promise and pledge so that our country will progress, and we will be the correct successors to those great patriots who sacrificed their lives for us. That is what I want to say. Before concluding my speech, I want to read out one poem. It is a self-composed poem which was published in our Kavya Manjari during Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav time. I sent this poem. It was published and I received. Just I am reading this within a short, because there are many speakers. I don't want to waste much of your time. You are all waiting for so many dances also. But before that, just pay attention. India at 75, freedom got from the shackles of the stringent British after unbelievable and unflinching sacrifices of many. Some are known heroes who occupied our hearts and souls. Some are unsung heroes with exemplary valor and sacrifice. Many intruders and invaders looted and cheated our motherland, but she is an ocean of hardworking and brave people with fertile soil, good culture and heritage, with secular democratic ideology. After independence, a plethora of changes brought a facelift to the Mother India in the global arena, with many inventions and discoveries, many challenges and achievements. Her children are always ready to compete with the world with the undaunted spirit which was inherited from their ancestors. India at 75 should take a solemn pledge to fight against corruption, poverty, inequality, unemployment, and all other social barriers. In this net and jet age, the children of Mother India should not forget the importance of the values of life. They should strive hard for the self-reliant and self-sufficient India, so that the Mother India will become a role model and a developed country in the world in the years to come. Jai Hind and thank you.
And it has given various responsibilities of the citizens of the country. And as a matter of common sense and respect to the constitution, Republic Day is being celebrated. Now, at school level, what is the role of this Republic Day? My dear children, I want to know from you all, from there you can raise your hand. How many of you do some disturbance in the class and teacher is teaching? My dear children, some viciousness, some disturbance, on your own range, I will give a reason today. I have not mentioned. I will give a reason. How many of you disturb the class and teacher is teaching? Raise your hand, please. Don't hesitate. I am very happy some 5 to 6 candidates are raised the hand. It is for all of you, my dear children. Please learn when teacher is teaching. If you disturb the class, you are coming across the rights of the other students to learn. Every student is having a right to learn, remember. Every student is having a right to learn in the school. But no student is having a right to disturb the class. Remember. If you disturb the class, as a place education or a class situation, the teacher may not scold you. The teacher may not be a slap to you. But after going out of school, when you become an adult, you have to face the police action. That means, if you don't feel responsible in the school while learning, you will be at loss. Because in the today's education, there is no scope for punishment. There is only scope for learning. Why? Because before the Republic Day comes, we have the birthday celebration song from Vivekananda, who spoke about Indianness as well as how to live of the cultural heritage of India at Chicago, US, and we had the birthday celebrations of our Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who is also one of the greatest freedom fighters. And as a student, you have to learn a lot from those lives and put in today's situation. So, what is the right and what is the responsibility? I request the teachers to send this message to the children in the class when any visual change they face. For that, even I have a small suggestion to the teaching community. Today, because 2 children have come. Out of those 2 children, one child has previously informed and one child has not informed about birthday. I want to give a small information for this. In KVs, there is a practice of appreciating the children on the day of results, annual results, who is actually attending the school throughout the year, 100% attendance. Right? So, what happened once in KV number 2 division of what happened? One student has throughout the school, throughout the year, she has presented, and her name has been recorded for 100% attendance, and the examination committee has suggested for the appreciation. When we have asked the child to receive the appreciation gift or certificate, the student was absent. So, we have withdrawn the award because the day of results also is counted as the student should present. So,
So, my dear children, you must remember the idea of 100% attendance. Why? Because today many of the students are not come. Today many of the students are not come. It is a national festival. Every student must feel the responsibility of attending the Republic Day celebrations as well as Independence Day celebrations. And I would like to inform one more suggestion about birthdays. That's what. On the birthday card, I have already given the suggestion to our principal, Sri Kishorji, and headmaster, Sri Madinamaliji, to add a small column that what I want to become, and a dash will be there. That will be written by the child. It is nothing but goal setting. What the child wants to become. It is he or she, the child will formulate in consultation with the parents. In consultation with the parents. They have to prepare. Why? Because child knows the birthday. Teacher may not know it. On the day of birthday, one day before only, the information needs to be given to the teacher concerned. One day before. It is not on the day of morning the teacher the student will give. Because बच्चा जानते हैं उसका जन्मदिन कब है, तो इसके मुताबिक टीचर्स को दे सकते हैं कि उसका जन्मदिन में वो क्या प्लेट या डिसीजन लेना चाहते हैं. That too to be followed by himself or herself. Actually, Kerala Vidyalaya Sri I have number one. I have the association with 1983. Why? Because in KVS I worked as a teacher for 18 years and a principal for 18 years. And I was posted to KV number to Sri Vidyalaya as first teacher in 83. Whereas there was no KV number to Sri Vidyalaya in those days. I was the report to the principal of KV number to Sri Vidyalaya here. In those days, Sri R. Satyanarayana was the principal. And that's how. In Kendriya Vidyalaya, wherever I have visited, the first school I have visited is KV number of Sri Vidyalaya only. There I have collected the keys of KV number of Sri Vidyalaya and I worked at KV number of Sri Vidyalaya. I am very much happy to come here today and I wish all the good luck to the students and I convey my heartfelt good wishes and special blessings even to all of these students. And my good wishes to the teachers also to bring this very renowned and prominent school not only in the city of Visakhapatnam, in the region and at even national level also. It is one of the competitors. It is one of the competitors and it is you who have to bring the glory. Who have to bring the glory. If it is not at present, remember, it is you who have to bring the glory. If it is not there at present, you only have to assess. It is not that I will tell. Okay? And I am very much thankful to the principal Sri Kishore for inviting me and giving this opportunity to speak to you all. And thank you even to the headmaster, Mr. Malik, and all of you. Have a wonderful Republic Day. Thank you.
Very much, fortunate enough to have Captain Saru as our chief guest. Sir, we assure you, our children, they are very highly talented. Definitely, in their future endeavors, they will come up with flying colors. We are very confident. We are hopeful. The students of area number 1 SVM, they are very much blessed with your good blessings. So, we are very happy, sir, with your inspiring messages and blessings. We are very hopeful our children will do their best, sir. So, as a program of now, may I request our chief guest of the day to please accept. Sir, please accept as a program of now. We are very much honored. We want to honor you Because I will a small picture, I will take a flower for blessing our children. Children are very much blessed, sir. Give you an inspiring message.
పంచుతారు అక్కడికి రావాలి ఓకే అందరూ వాళ్ళు
Please honor the picture for the day. Picture for the day. Please bring certificated by the members of our institution.
Sami the students of Sakresa. When she gave us the physical relaxing area of Srikakulam, Madam was studied over there and she is the student of Sakresa. See how lucky she is having that.
So now we learn how powerful our kids' blessings are. Once upon a time, students of our Sakresa now today see the best teacher of the Vidyalaya. So, it is not a proud, definitely. Children who are very much blessed by the teachers of the day. It was very inspiring message and blessing by you, sir. So, on behalf of everyone student, we assure you, we promise you, our children definitely will bring growth and knowledge to the Vidyalaya. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our presentation. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you all. Children, thank you.
बच्चे